What's up, mofos? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are back because I'm glad that I'm back. And this is my third video. Well, my third video this year that I've posted on my channel. So I'm very excited about that. Yeah, in today's video, sorry, I forgot what I was doing. Anyway, in today's video, I did a little tutorial of like my little slick back hairstyle that I do. I tried something different this time, and I just slicked down the sides of my hair and then just like kept my back kind of poofy or whatever. That's kind of the look that I was trying to achieve. I didn't have the products that I really wanted to use during this, but I used what I had and it still turned out good, so I really liked it. I basically made like my own, I guess, headband, so to speak. Yeah, but if you want to see how I got these looks, or this look, if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. All right. Hey guys, so basically here I'm just going in with my Cream of Nature twisting cream, and I'm just sectioning off my hair just to detangle it. I am working on an old wash and go, so it's definitely not a fresh one, so I'm yeah, pretty much working with what I have. I didn't have that much time this morning. Me and my boyfriend were actually seeing an early movie at like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was rushing it. But anywho, yeah, I'm working on an old wash and go. I'm just rewetting my hair and just adding more product to my hair and detangling it. The way I really wanted to make sure that I got the look that I wanted, I made sure when I did the wash and go this time, I brushed my hair, as you can see right here, like down, because that's basically how I wanted it to lay. So I just made sure that I just combed and brushed the product through my hair completely. That way it'll be defined and really moisturized, and all the product is basically just working into my hair. Okay, so here I'm just basically sectioning off the front of my hair, because for those I'm going to do something different. Instead of just leaving it out, I'm going to basically slick that part of my hair back and down to create the headband effect on my hair. So I just basically section those off. I'm like maybe halfway through my hair now, as you can see here. I'm like halfway done, almost pretty much done, pretty much. Yeah, so I'm just brushing it through, just again brushing it down, because that's how I want my hair to lay. So I'm just making sure all of the product is thoroughly through my hair. Okay guys, honestly, you can be super generous with the gel because it really helps with the wet look, and it just really helps overall the definition for this type of look. So you can be generous with the gel, just don't be afraid. Honestly, I think I used almost this whole bottle, or what I had left I should say. I have some left, but I pretty much used half of the bottle. Like, I used a lot. Okay guys, so here is actually a really important part. I'm taking the two pieces that we left out earlier, and I'm basically going to take a hair tie and tie it behind my hair. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm so sorry if y'all can hear the construction outside of my house. Literally, I've been trying to record this voiceover for an hour. Anywho, yes, I'm taking the pieces behind my hair and I'm tying it to make sure that it is secure. And so it's just going to give us that headband look that we're looking for. As you can see now, I'm just slicking it down. There were some pieces that was left out, but I did just basically bobby pin those to the side, just to make sure that it's super secure. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is the finished product. I did let my hair air dry through this process, and I did pluck out the back just a tad for a little bit more volume. I would definitely recommend putting maybe some clips or something on the sides to dress it up a little bit. But yeah, overall, I love the results. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. There's nobody else like you. Oh yeah, baby, there's nobody else like you. Oh yeah, there's nobody.